As we approach the festive season, let us embark on an enlightening journey that harnesses the transformative power of play. I present to you a curated Christmas list of group games, each uniquely designed to unlock untapped potential, foster inspiration, and fuel motivation in our collective pursuit of success. 1. The Marshmallow Challenge. Picture the assembly of spaghetti sticks, tape, string, and a marshmallow. A seemingly trivial assortment, yet within this lies a formidable challenge: to erect the tallest freestanding structure against the tick of the timer. This game, far beyond a mere construction feat, is a canvas for creativity, a crucible for teamwork, and an arena for quick-witted problem-solving. 2. Escape Room Challenges. The allure of an escape room scenario beckons teams to navigate a labyrinth of puzzles and riddles, racing against the clock for freedom. It's more than a quest for liberation, it's an immersive exercise in critical thinking, communication, and the synergy of teamwork, especially and under the crucible of time pressure. 3. Role-playing games. Journey with us into realms of imagination and strategy. Tabletop RPGs like Dungeons and Dragons or custom scenarios designed to unleash our collective creativity. Here, decisions are collaborative, imagination knows no bounds, and teamwork reigns supreme. 4. Minefield. Blindfolded, yet guided by the voices of trust, one traverses a simulated obstacle course. This game, not of peril but of trust, communication, and leadership, unveils the essence of cohesive teamwork amidst perceived challenges. 5. Scavenger Hunt. Armed with a list of enigmatic clues, teams venture forth, embarking on a quest of discovery within a confined domain. This game transcends mere exploration. It's a testament to the collaborative synergy, quick wit, and teamwork prowess within our team. 6. Story Chain. With each sentence woven into a narrative tapestry, a story unfurls. This collaborative game is the crucible of creativity, a testament to our collective storytelling prowess. 7. Reverse charades. Inverting the norm, the entire team acts while one discerns. A symphony of gestures and clues. This high-energy game is a testament to teamwork, creativity, and the joyous pursuit of shared success. 8. Powerful questions. Imagine a circle of colleagues, each delving into the depth of meaningful inquiries, forging bonds through shared experiences and profound insights. This simple yet profound game is the conduit for connectivity, empathy, and mutual understanding, essentials for a cohesive and motivated team. 9. The Human Knot. As participants reach across to grasp hands, they unwittingly weave a complex knot. To unravel it without releasing their hold. In this entangled endeavor lies the essence of communication, the virtue of patience, and the finesse of collaborative problem-solving. 10. Appreciation Circle. Encircling one another, we transcend the mundane to express gratitude, to acknowledge the virtues of our colleagues. This simple yet potent game nurtures positivity, fosters camaraderie, and serves as a morale booster. Vital elements in our journey to collective success. Each game is more than a pastime. It's a pathway to honing skills, fostering connections, and infusing our journey with a spirit of camaraderie and mutual growth. Let us embrace these challenges, leveraging the lessons they offer as stepping stones on our collective path to success. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more inspiring contents.